car people. Fucking tank car people. Tank car people. Watch out for the tank car people. Oh, whoa, wait. It's the fucking tank car people. Motherfucking, fucking tank car people. Don't you know it's the tank car people? Tank to tank, tank to tank car people. Tit, 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 tit. That is a big BNSF engine, or 3 of them. That's a big ass long line of tank car people. If this world was really a globe, which it's not, you think they just put one train around the whole fucking world and then just keep it running non-stop? Just constantly fucking running that train. They come up with ways to load it while it's moving. I think they have a movie like that. I don't know. I've never seen it. Tank car people. Motherfucking tank car people. Hey, hey, hey. It's the motherfucking tank car people. Titty titty tank 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 titty tank tank titty titty tank tank people. How how oh, that's a nice car to ride on the back of. That's the tank car, people, so have a good one.